Something was saying, nah, don't do it. You've worked too hard to get your hair where it is.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya. In today's video, I will be doing a demo on this product called Mofajang. It's a hair coloring material. It's like a wax. This is in the color gold, and I'm trying to go for a honey blonde goldish color. This product is very temporary. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's very vibrant. It looks very metallic. It does look really intimidating. So all you do is you just take it on your finger. You can use gloves if you like, but it washes off really easy, and you just apply it in your hair evenly from the roots on down. Now if you don't want your roots done, then skip that step. But I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys watch me apply this. And I'm going for a full blonde look. And yes, it does get all over your hand. So if you don't want it all over, then I would caution you to wear gloves. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is what it's looking like all throughout my hair. So I'm going to let this dry. So I tried to comb this out before I came back to this video, and look at all this. My hair is dry, but I have a shirt full of fallout. So I'm gonna put my towel around my shoulders as I try to pick this into a style. So that's one of cons. The pros is I really love the color. I'm really feeling the color. I'm loving how I'm not having extreme shrinkage. It's not transferring now that it's dry. It was easy to wash off of my fingers, but it's flaking like crazy. Say what? I got some honey blonde hair right here. Like, go ahead on, Mofajang. Look at it. It's cute. My only con with this product right now is that it flakes like crazy. I'm gonna take a little alcohol and clean up some of the patchiness of the color. I'm very pleased, but the flaking is huge. Like, the flaking is major with this product, and that is the only problem that I am having with the Mofajang. But this thing is bussin'. Like, I feel cute, and I don't like to wear my hair out. Yeah, it looks cute. I like it. I love it. Bye.